Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to profile the Facing Heaven pepper. It's my favorite pepper plant to grow for red pepper flakes, for seasoning stews, stir fries. I've been growing this for years. They are sold out at my seed shop, and these are actually peppers that I am growing to actually harvest the seeds and sell at the seed shop. But this is the Facing Heaven pepper plant. Also want to talk about some pepper growing tips, because these are growing in a 10-gallon container just like that. There are 2 plants in there, so you can put 2 pepper plants together in about 10 gallons worth of soil, and they're going to end up looking something like this. It's an absolutely beautiful pepper plant. Tons of peppers. They're about an inch. They start out green, they will turn kind of a brownish red, and then they're going to turn red. And I'm leaving these on here again to harvest for seeds, but this is about the color I would pick them to dry them. I dry them whole so that I can throw them into stir fries or stews, or I crush them up and I get great red pepper flakes for like pastas and sauces. We'll get in closer and I'll show you both plants in a second, but I just wanted to show you just how prolific this plant is. It's about 4 feet tall. Comes all the way around. There's a bean plant running through there. It's continuing to flower. We're getting towards the end of September, and it's hard to get in here, but you can see 2 pepper plants. They've kind of grown together, but that is 2 plants in a 10-gallon pot. Just a simple setup for the soil. I have plenty of videos on that, but it's basically 50% peat moss, 50% earth around my garden, several handfuls of organic granular fertilizer thrown in there, and then as this plant is planted initially, and then maybe for, I don't know, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, gets fish emulsion every 2 weeks or so till it's established, and then I just let it go. You don't want to over fertilize your pepper plants with nitrogen. When they get to about half their sizes, when this gets to about 2 feet, cut back on the nitrogen. You just want to let it go, and it's going to produce just hundreds and hundreds of these beautiful peppers. Again, 2 plants in here. This is the Facing Heaven pepper. It gets its name because they actually point upward towards the heavens. And I will have more of these in about a month at my seed shop. Just crazy production. Delicious. It has a sweet taste to it, so it's not just like it's heat, adding heat to your dishes. There's a nice flavor to this pepper. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and think about growing the Facing Heaven pepper.